Welcome back to Cryptos Are Us. I am George. We're all George. So, it's been a long day for me, but I'm here to talk Bitcoin and crypto. More news to share with you guys. I think the most significant news today, well, there's two. There's a couple. Let's first talk about this FIT21 bill that was passed in the House. So it's kind of like the very first digital assets bill, and the House basically passed it, which means that we need to create a framework, but more importantly, the framework is going to be governed by the CFTC, not the SEC. And this may be the reason why Ethereum spot ETFs are going to get approved. Because Gary and the whole commission may be removed from the crypto equation altogether in the future. Now, this bill still has to go to the Senate, but still, it does show that a lot of people in Congress do recognize how important it is to, first of all, validate crypto, because it's not going to go away, and you can't just like wish it to disappear, right? And I'm sure they have noticed that other countries are starting to embrace crypto as well. And plus, we do have Bitcoin spot ETFs already trading on the market. So it's nice to see that Congress is starting to wake up and realize that this is a technology that can't be suppressed. It needs to be embraced. And we'll see. So this is the first step, obviously, just in the House. Senate, don't know if it's going to be that smooth, but I'm glad to see that. So that's pretty bullish. What else? Well, ETFs. Still massive amount of inflows. It's happening every single day. It's rumored that BlackRock may have now more Bitcoin than Grayscale. So whether that's good or not, I don't know. Probably not. But the ETF inflows are still good. Overall today, price movement pretty stagnant. You could argue even down a little bit as I'm filming this. It's 69,400, 500 for Bitcoin. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. But again, we went up really fast. And that explosion, the next explosion that pushes us higher, could be coming as soon as tomorrow. And here's why. The deadline for the Ethereum spot ETF is tomorrow by 4 p.m. Okay? So I speculated maybe there was a chance that we would get approval today because the SEC doesn't want to give any first movers advantage. Didn't happen. Tomorrow, the first deadline is for Van Eyck, and they are the first fund company to actually submit their application. So, and they're arguing that they should get the spot Ethereum ETF first before anyone. They do want that first movers advantage. So, I don't know. I don't know if they're going to get it, or SEC is going to release a statement once again and say, you know what, we're just going to approve everyone. And there's like 7 different applicants. So that certainly could be a possibility too. If we do get it, we will see explosion tomorrow for everything. Not just Ethereum, although we will see explosion for Ethereum, but also we will see it for Bitcoin, of course. So that's coming tomorrow. That is absolutely huge, right? So we got that going on. What else is going on? Brian Kelly. He's an analyst. He has his own company. He has his own fund company. And he went on CNBC today speculating about ETFs. And what may be the next ETF we can expect. You know what he said? No, not XRP. He says Solana. Solana may be the next one to get its own ETF. That would be absolutely crazy. The market demand is there. I know that for a fact. And if Ethereum gets a spot ETF, then who's to say that Solana can't get theirs next, right? Especially if the SEC is just going to be like, hey, what the hell? We're going to lose all control anyways. Let's just approve everyone. So that would be fun. That would be fun. But Brian Kelly said that. Does it hold any weight? I don't know. I don't know if it does. But eventually it's gonna come. Eventually it's gonna come. All right, so outside of these things, anything else? Not really. Not really the usual. I saw a lot of charts again showing bullish patterns for Bitcoin and for ETH and for Solana. I mean, overall today was kind of like a consolidation day. Not a whole lot of price movement, but you know, you guys could feel it, right? I could feel it too. We're at a cusp of something big. Just like before, it seemed like the market was so stagnant and it wasn't going to move, and all of a sudden, boom, we did. I feel like the momentum is still there, and all the news right now is hinting at something big soon. So I do think that the next leg up could be right around the corner, could be as soon as tomorrow. Of course, I'll put out another video tomorrow, so we'll see. But I do think that there is something that's brewing here. Outside of that, outside of what's going on, as for myself, I had a busy day, a long day. Filmed a lot of cars. I test drove a lot of cars on the track. And in case you're wondering, I'm at Road America. It's a nice track. Drove a lot of nice cars around the track just to get a feel for them. Also reviewed a lot of cars. Went off-roading with the new GX. Then we ran out of time. Unfortunately, there was more cars I wanted to test, but it's a good event. Good event to get out and drive some cars. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. What else can I say? Not really a whole lot. Overall, I'm feeling good about markets. I know you guys are too. It's definitely time to be bullish, and we're not even in June yet. That's the thing. We're only in May. We're not even in June. After June, July, and then we have a full 6 months. I can't wait. I can't wait until the end of the year happens. Not that I want time to fly by any quicker, but man, I just feel like by the time I record something like this in December, Bitcoin's gonna be at like 100,000, 150,000, and everything else is gonna be so much higher. It's gonna be absolutely nuts. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. By the way, if you don't follow me on X, make sure you go do so. I posted a couple things about the IFC on my X, including a video from Nick Carter, his hype video for the upcoming fight in Consensus. Awesome video. A lot of people very excited. I am too. The next IFC 2 is going to be absolutely enormous. So if you don't follow me on X, make sure you go do so and check it out, and follow Crowded Combat, Influencer Fight Club, and of course me for all the latest and greatest news and opinions from the one and only George. All right, smash with a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.